The alternator started smoking on me, so I'm going to be changing the alternator. The first thing, I've never done one before, but it should be relatively easy and straightforward. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the power from the batteries. All right, so disconnecting the main power. Comes from here. I'm just going to disconnect both of them just to be on the safe side. Alright, just so you don't have any arcing power or arcing problems. I'm going to check here. Alright, no power. Should be good. I think I need some WD-40. I normally keep some on the truck. I just walked down there to another truck to ask another driver if he had any, but he didn't. Can't bust these two loose right now. I gotta figure something out. Now I've got to try to get this off. Probably not the preferred method, but I dropped the trailer down there to kind of use the trailer as like a vise. It's 600. I think it's like $500 or $600. Now it says torque down to 70 to 80 foot-pounds. That's what we're gonna do. All right, so we took the old pulley off and put it on the new alternator. Got the bolt back on there. Now, All right, we got everything back on there. Everything hooked back up, hopefully correctly. I had a hard time getting this wire down to the ground because on the other alternator, everything is right next to each other, but I had to keep on pulling on this till I was able to get it down there. Everything looks like it's lined up properly. Batteries are hooked back up. Let's start it up and see what happens. Battery might be dead though, or drained. Oh, let's see here. All right, got the truck fixed. Alternator's on there, seems to be running fine. Sitting at 13.7. So yeah, about to hit the road now. Anyways, as always, thank you guys for watching. It's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Hard times don't last, hard truckers do. And last but not least, stay smooth, my friends.